Balang, pula pyntip ke Sorkar, kan thung ya fact finding committee, ke tohkit halor ki jingujor, bat ki jingjia ki bami, haka public hearing ke Shree Cement. Habarai ben pynsangeh shuwa ya baroh ki jong ni ke kompani dewbilat, tat haduh penetep ki jingtohkit. Ukonrad ol pyntip ikani hadin ke Jylla bat ki ngelam ke khasi students union, bekren halor ki santili ki mat jingdawa jong kaseng, ke Balang hadin ke jingjia ki bat ke jingmi ki thung bor, haka khat khnai trik nailar.
The first agenda was regarding the public hearing of Shree Cement and their demand that it should be cancelled or scrapped. I shared with the members of the union that the government has to bring in private investment for the economic growth that we would like to see. And accordingly, when the proposal came from Shree Cement to set up an industry here, it was a positive step. Shree Cement is the second largest producer of cement in the country and a very reputed organization. After following the basic procedures of the basic applications, the process of public hearing as per law is required. And therefore all the procedures were conducted and the public hearing was done. But the members of the KSU had mentioned that they had concerns about the process in which it was conducted and that certain steps were taken to stop certain people from coming, and also certain concerns regarding environmental issues and other stakeholders not being involved. And hence, we came to the conclusion that we will be putting up a fact-finding committee headed by a senior official from the government, independent of the district administration, and few members will be part of that fact-finding committee. And let them find out the details of all these points that were mentioned, especially regarding the public hearing, the procedure and the process in which it happened, the aspects of stakeholders being consulted or not, and the aspect of the environmental issues that were there. And until that time, till the fact-finding committee completes its work, things will be on status quo and no further work will proceed and everything will be stopped, and the fact-finding committee will be allowed to first do its fact-finding and submit its report and its findings. And as till then, all works will stop and any kind of construction or any kind of work that is being done from the company's side will be asked to be stopped.
Kendu baka Sorkar mta sngi halor kisan teli kimat jingdawa kabang ibu nongkong hang kata ka jinglong juman de jingjia pisaki kai belajia balong ka public hearing nam ta ban shna itu ka Shree Cement ka jimat jingdawa kalong ban scrap itu public hearing lane ban suspend ru ya DC ban SP kiba hakte ke district hak jing ya tiada jing ya tai ke bala jorong ka Sorkar ru kala peni le jong kidau kinogram but lay pun mandur kata jing thiria tai kalong ban tonno kata ka independent committee ban inquiry tu jing ja ki bandon committee kan kli di bolong lai duit DC USP nom don benta iru em but kita ki stakeholder jong ti jaka kendon bat kan liat bian pa bian om dei tang bakin hab ban ti benia jinglong cuman jing jiat public hearing yang dai ki hab kan committee kan pedru ya jinglong cuman jong ka may mariang ke cakap nomor kidon kiksha kidon kikrem kidon kicakarep bat kum tartep bat langba kenika fact finding committee la dalap yenu kiba bakla lanti kamtam public hearing kengat ajing penstom kata kalong ba kajing yakren na kaliang jongkaseng bat ngila banjuru bakat ba kenika fact finding committee kampat dep ya report kita kijing persang bat kita jing sedang jing trejuk na Shree Cement di pynsangeh totally sangeh bat telah ngingat baksakan bat beka juban lak lada ka Kerana matah ni lakat bajing teri kenya sakmat tinggi ru misa habis perdat lang.